How to fix touchpad not working on Windows. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily fix if your touchpad is not working on Windows. Let's get right into it. First off, you could just go ahead and open up your device manager. Right click on your PC. If your touchpad is not working, you can just plug in an external mouse, wired or wireless, it doesn't matter. Then from there you want to head over to device manager. Once you open up your device manager, you can basically go ahead and find the option for mice and other pointing devices. Click on the drop down, and then the first one is going to be your touchpad. So basically right click on it and you want to check for any updates for your driver. Click on update driver, and oftentimes when your driver is not up to date, the mouse it stops working. So just go ahead and update the driver. If it says the best driver is already installed, you should be good to go. And in many cases, your mouse might be disabled or your touchpad, because in many laptops, there is a function key dedicated to toggle the touchpad use. So in my case, it's F7, but in your case, it might be different. As you can see here, if I just disable it like this, I'm not able to move my touchpad. But if I re-enable it again with my function key, I'm able to use my mouse and touchpad. After this, you can go to Human Interface Devices, click on the drop-down. Now from here, find your HID compliant touchpad, right-click on it, click on Update Driver, and then search automatically for drivers. If it says the best drivers already installed, you're good to go. You could also manually choose your driver. Go ahead and click on Let me pick from list of available drivers. Now choose your HID compliant touchpad, tap on Next, and it's gonna update your driver successfully. Now, after doing so, this is the most important step. You want to restart your PC. After you restart, your touchpad should start working and you'll be good to go. That is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.